Hello guys, if you wish to have more insight about Datanla Waterfall, this video will guide you through a walking tour inside the entire area. You will know where to walk through the area and reach 3 waterfalls by walk. Also, you will see locations of add-ons recreational activities such as ziplining, alpine coaster and canyoning. Notice that a fee of 50,000 dong will be charged at the entrance to access to the area where few boutiques of souvenirs will be waiting for you. On my right hand side, here's the first roller coaster which leads you to the waterfall number 1 and 2. So let's enjoy the walk while heading to the waterfall. It's basically similar to a trail inside a forest. We have directly access to the waterfall 1 and 2. As you can see on the left side, this is a rival station of alpine coaster, as you have seen initially on the map. Here is the landmarks where every tourist take pictures and chill. As you reach the connected bridge above the torrent, the pass will give you the way toward the waterfall number 3, which can only be reached out by walk from this new starting point. Basically, you just have to stick to the stairs that follow along the stream. At this point, you just need to follow the directions that guide you to the Alpine Coaster 3, where you can find the waterfall number 3 using the stairs on the right hand side as highlighted by the red arrows. After the Waterfall 3, you can walk along this leafy fence and explore a playful area, which is also a nice landmark to take pictures with fancy backgrounds. I reached out the end of the roadmap, one way entirely by walk, following by the roller coaster 3 on my way back to one of the main entrances of the park. One way from the Waterfall 3 standpoint will cost you 190,000 dong. Notice that the back and forth trip from the Alpine cost 3 entrance will cost you 250,000 dong or $10 to enjoy this stroll amid the pine trees. I basically completed the loop and got an overview of all different areas that Datanla waterfall has to offer. On my right hand side, the attraction that we saw in the beginning of the video. Notice that the zip line enables 6 level of difficulty through a 1,500 meters route through a pine forest. The fare is about 1 million dong or $40. That's it, folks. If you intend to travel to Dalat, this is one of the spots that you should discover. I hope that this video will save you time during your trip. With that being said, don't miss my trail in Langbiang at the end of the video, one of the must-see hiking trail in Dalat if you love outdoorsy escapes. In the meantime, drop your comment if you need more information on the waterfall journey.